The uptrend in oil is confirmed by fundamental factors. Even if the oil market enters a phase of correction, it's unlikely to last long. Market sentiment remains optimistic, thus supporting the Russian ruble. At the same time, no sharp changes are expected on the ruble at least until the new year. The spread of a new coronavirus type has a limiting effect on oil prices. Thus, the cases of a new virus strain have been detected in Canada, France, Japan and Norway. The air traffic to some countries has been restricted, while Beijing has tightened quarantine measures. China's authorities fear that traveling during the holiday season could lead to a virus outbreak in the capital. Last week, Brent depreciated by 1.9%, while WTI dropped by 2.1%. This was the first weekly fall since late October. Investors still take into account the global health situation, which holds them back from falling into the euphoric mood. As a positive driver, the US president has finally approved the stimulus bill. Donald Trump signed a $900 million coronavirus aid package aimed at supporting the country during the pandemic. Despite virus fears and tighter lockdowns, oil prices are still holding at high levels. After a slight decline in the morning trade, oil bulls managed to regain ground and brought the quotes back to positive territory. Brent oil futures for February edged higher by 0.7% to settle at $51.70 per barrel. Likewise, the North American crude moved higher by the same amount. As a result, WTI was last seen trading at $48.50 per barrel. Closing the trade on Friday, the ruble accelerated the pace of decline against the US dollar. This was a normal reaction of traders who preferred to close long positions on the ruble ahead of the weekend. Today, the Russian currency pulled back from the level of 74 amid overall positive market sentiment. The ruble gained 0.7% against the US dollar, so that the pair entered the 73 area. However, the ruble is unlikely to rise further and break below the mark of 73. So the dollar-ruble pair will most probably stay in the range between 72.80 and 75.55. The mark 76 serves as a strong level of resistance. Ahead of the New Year holidays, the ruble is expected to remain relatively stable. If no new sanctions against Russia are imposed in the coming year, the ruble may well test new highs. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back soon. Bye.